Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can assign members to cart in Trello board. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So by assigning members to a cart, it basically means that you assign member to do a specific task. So this feature is very helpful when you assigning someone to do something. So let's say I'm having two cart in a list one. If I want a members to do let's say task one, what you want to do is you want to right click on this cart one, and then you would go to change members, and then let's say I want to assign this member to do this cart. I want to click on this member. It should show this icon on cart one, and that is how you can assign member to cart one. Thank you.